Alright, y'all. Got the hose. The hose. Yep, so that's the 27097 is the part number for this shit. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna get some of this crap cleaned off here, and then we're gonna get these I'm gonna replace this piece of hose, and obviously reconnect there where it blew off. And so yeah, we'll get all this cleaned off and we'll get to work on it. Oh yeah, cue the corny music. Alright, so this is the old line. It's like stiffened up quite a bit since it's dried out. I can't even crush it anymore, but let's get this new hose out of here. Yeah, you see if it'll focus. It's submersible on it. That's the shit you need. This is rated for 100 psi. Not the best pressure rating, but it should do. This thing's probably only going to see maybe like 65-70 psi with the boost reference regulator. So I think I've got the base pressure set at 55 on the car. I don't know, it may be 45. We'll have to look, but this will be fine. So I'm gonna get started here and find my damn screwdriver. Oh shit, I need a Phillips. Which will be right in my way here. Where are you? There should be. Set y'all back up without knocking the camera over. Like so. Alright. Take this off here. Oh, great, look at there. Off there. Doesn't want to come off. When you're using a razor blade, you always want to cut towards you. You know. You know the deal. And then okay. So what I'm probably going to do here is just cut off the same amount. Some of my trusty old dikes here. As you know, using the proper tools. Always got the proper tool for the job. Alright. So this is going to go on the 450. Oh yeah, don't forget to... Who's got to spit on it? I don't like it when you put it in dry. Alright. We're going to put the hose clamps on the same direction this time, because I never think to do that. Alright. Slider on there. Hot damn. She's gonna be a bitch. Alright. It's good enough. Alright. So, while we're here, y'all folks that are wanting to run an aftermarket regulator. Oh, this thing sucks ass. That thing is stripped as hell. I got a socket that'll fit that. Sure do. It's a first. Oh, knock the damn camera over. You have to yank the factory regulator out of the sending unit here. I'll show you in just a second. After I break this hose clamp. All right. See this black thingamajigger doohickey? The same, y'all that have messed with the truck, the early truck intake, LS truck intakes will recognize it when you see it, but right here there is a fuel pressure regulator. It looks exactly like the one that's on the rail in the trucks. It's got the little nipple sticking off. It's not hooked to anything. It's just got a clip that holds it in. But if you yank that off, then your return will be able to drain back through here unrestricted, so you can run an aftermarket regulator. Fun fact. Alright, see if we can fuck this up here. Alright, so we need to go from yonder to yonder. Here's our old piece. Probably gonna cut it just a hair long. All right. Just long enough to get past the used part, if you know what I'm saying. All right, fuck it. Close clamps. I can't remember how I gotta orient these things. They gotta sit in there a certain damn way, because it is a bitch to get both of these pumps in there. It is a pain in the ass. Alright. Alright, that looks better. Alright, y'all, got it back together. It's a pain in the ass. It's in there. This tab's not locked in. I can't get that side to go down a little bit more, but this side's locked in. It'll be fine. Yes, I know that filter's fucked. I tried to get another one back when I was putting this thing together, and couldn't find one. Couldn't find one to even fit in the damn pump. For some reason, the factory replacement one was completely different. So I just realized I put this on here wrong. Little notch. Probably should have kept it the way I had it. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. I don't think it's going to come off. Alright. So, that's a dual pump, cheap way, and an F-body bucket. It's a Walbro 450 and a stock pump. But, let's get her put in. Alright. Now, something I wanted to show y'all. You can see on the side of the pump there, where it's not round anymore. Kind of in the center of the camera. You're gonna have to cut the opening of the tank a little bit. Now you're not getting into the sealing surface right there, but you might be able to squeeze two 450s in there, but you're gonna have to cut this other side too. But anyway, I figured I'd mention that. Alright. So, yeah, I think I already told y'all this, but I've got the stock wiring running the stock pump. I've got the Holley running, powering the stock pump, and then I got the secondary on a relay over there, weather pack relay. So what I'm probably going to do here is get this all hooked up, and I'm probably going to pump some of this out because it's a heavy bitch, and I got to do this by myself. So I'm going to get this ring hammered on here, and then we're going to get it pumped out. Alright, I got this damn thing. I got her wired up. This is just the stock fuel pump on right now, but pumping all the ethanol out here. And get some weight out of it. I'll get her back up in there and start it up. Alright, y'all. Try to make a pass here without killing myself. Alright, two-step it. Trans Am's fixed. You can see in the video it's only making like 8 or 9 pounds of boost. I've got the controller set for second gear. Should pile all the boost in on second gear. It should be making about 14 pounds in second gear and third gear, so need to look over the tune and see what's going on. Maybe I had some issues here a while back and changed a bunch of shit, and I may have messed it up, so need to get that fixed. And need to put some ice in the tank. It's barely got any water in the tank right now, so IATs are pretty insane. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be doing some Holley EFI tuning videos and some transmission tuning stuff for HV tuners pretty soon. So we'll talk to y'all later.